Step 1. Record some sounds. Step 2. Make 4 different pitches. Step 3. Go into your sounds folder within your NinjaTrader 8 folder and add in the 4 sound files that you just created. So now in my volume delta indicator, click on the sound enabled, check that box, and then for the positive strong, I want the high pitched, and of course you could just have these sound files say bullish or bearish, whatever 4 sound files that you want to use. So I've got my 1-minute chart here, the solar wind painting the candle color, and the volume delta printing the bubbles, my fake BOOKMAP bubbles. Now I've got a fake tick strike doing audio alerts in the background. These volume delta bubbles are keeping us on the right side of the action, as well as the solar wind. These bubbles don't print every single candle that's in the strong delta area. You can see this candle right after this volume bubble was also a strong volume delta to the downside. So it's good to have the histogram or the ribbon up as well. And then once things change, the next candle, it resets, and then we'll get another dot if it goes back into the strong territory. Here we got our audio alert with the low chimes. We're breaking below previous lows. Probably going to make it to R1. Going to move my stop down to right above the high of this candle, but it got our target right away. Having a little hesitation at R1. This is just a standard pivot point that comes with NinjaTrader. This is the market profile composite from NINZA, and these are the innovative ordering buttons from NINZA. So we got another strong delta dot, but I'm waiting to see if we break below R1. So far R1 is holding up quite nicely. More strong delta. Now we're breaking below the R1. Move my stop down to the top of this candle. Got a little hold up right at this edge on the volume profile. Should have been where my first target was. I'm getting a little hold up at yesterday's high. Got our chimes going off. Got some moderate delta to the downside. Breaking below yesterday's high. This indicator is also from NINZA, the order flow presentation. The only thing I'm using from that though is just these levels. Yesterday's point of control, yesterday's close, yesterday's high, and today's point of control. I just like that they're labeled. Helps with the visualization process. So we've got some strong bullish delta coming in, but solar wind candles are still red. If I was still in this short, I might want to get out upon seeing some strong bullish delta. But if we break back below this low of this candle here, which we just did, that's definitely a bearish sign. Get some more strong delta. Gonna go for the little edge of that volume profile right there. Catch this ledge hopefully. Gonna move my stop down. Well, keep getting my take profit too quick. I was gonna move my stop down to the top of this candle here. So that little ledge in the volume profile held. Got this little ledge right here. A nice little bounce off of that. Just broke through whole number. Got a little hold up at this ledge. 83. It's also yesterday's close. Getting some more strong delta. This is a pretty big move. Might get a hold up around the pivot point between yesterday's close and the pivot point. So we got some strong bullish delta and a green solar wind. Move my stop up right below the low of this entry candle, and move my target down right towards the top of this candle. Got our audio alert, got another strong bullish volume delta bubble. It's not moving so quick. Don't like that. I like the quick moves, especially in the NASDAQ. I'm gonna move my stop up. Stopped out for positive 1 or 2 points there. Price wasn't moving quick enough. We're in a major sell-off here. Tried for a little counter trend scalp, it did not work out. And here we got the bearish strong delta coming back in. We're breaking below these lows. Just hit the pivot point. See, all these candles are all strong negative delta. You can see down on the ribbon, these are all strong delta to the downside. Here's S1 coming up. I would imagine a bounce at whole number, between whole number and S1. Got this nice nipple here. Getting some more strong delta coming in. I like the idea of a bounce right off of S1, especially with this strong delta coming in. So there's some more ways that I like to use the volume delta and the solar wind. Got the built-in pivot points. Got the composite market profile. Got the innovative ordering buttons, makes it easy to get in and out of trades. This is the 1 minute micro NQ chart. I was just doing some market replay testing from this afternoon. I didn't trade this afternoon. I was outside and enjoying the fresh air, but came back to make a video and thought I'd see how the afternoon played out. But those are the kind of things I'm looking for with the volume profile and with the delta. And with this basic trend indicator, the solar wind, which is based on average true range. Got a higher time frame of the 15-minute with some more levels on it, like yesterday's high and close and low. And I've also got the solar wind painting the candle color on the 15-minute chart as well. I mean, just look at it. Look how beautiful it is. It makes it so easy to see the current trend. Green, red, green, red. Apex Trader Funding is having their 80% off sale all month of April, 1 day to pass. If you use the code MonkeyMan, you get the best deal with Apex always, and you also help support the work that I do on this channel. All of these indicators that I'm using are from NINZA. There's a link in the description, and if you use the code MonkeyMan there, you also get the best price always. Even if they're having a crazy sale, you get an even deeper discount when you use the code MonkeyMan. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe.
Risk it all. Swing your elephant ball, then make a withdrawal. Make your sack splash, make your cash stack. Apex, 1 day to pass. Take your shot without the latex. Raw dog the fucking charts, wipe your shirt smear across the loser's tears. Make it look like art, and then depart.